For our first question, we asked, what's your age? And we did not only ask college students, but we asked other people. We individually got our data and got a mean, a median, a mode, a range, and outliers. And then once we got together after Thanksgiving, we got a mean, a median, a mode, a range, and outliers as a group. And our results were 21.4 for mean, 19 for median, 18 for mode, 22 was the range, and the outliers was 61. It is obvious that there was different ages, but 18 and 19 were pretty common due to freshmen in college.
For the next question, we then transitioned to how many hours of sleep you get a night. Most of the people we asked were college students, but we also asked people all the way up to 62. As you can tell, not a lot of people get enough sleep at night. Our mean was only 5.7, our median was 6, our mode was 7, our range was 4, and there were no outliers. So as you can tell, we all definitely need more sleep.
For our third question, we did chocolate or vanilla. As you can see, there are no numbers, so our mean, there is no mean. Our median, there's no median. Range, nothing. Outliers, there really weren't any. And everybody liked chocolate. Chocolate wins overall.
The most interesting of all. I really anticipated the results and found that most of the younger students agreed and the older ones disagreed. The scale was based from 1 to 5, with 1 being strongly agree, 1 being strongly disagree, and 5 being strongly agree. The results were then compiled, and the individual data was compiled, and the mean was 3.5, the median 2.5, the mode 1, the range 1, and there were no outliers.
We asked the question if we as a country has ever landed on the moon, 1 being that we did land on the moon, 5 being that we did not. And as you can see, everyone agreed that we have landed on the moon.
Alright, the most important part we learned from our project was all the math behind it. So the way we found all of our results was, first, we each individually asked different people from different ages each question. And when we got all our results from the 6 questions, we got the mean, median, mode, range, and outliers. The way we found our mean was we got all of the questions from the 15 people we asked, and for each question we got the mean by adding all the numbers up and then dividing it by 15. And then for the mode, we looked for the most popular number after lining them up in order. Then for the range, we got the biggest number and subtracted it by the smallest number. And then for the outliers, we each looked for the number that was throwing off the result like the most. It was a number that was most different from all the other numbers. And in some cases, there wasn't an outlier because all of the numbers were either exactly the same or really close to each other. Well, in conclusion, we've all got our results, and after that, we found the mean, the median, the mode, the range, and the outliers for all of the groups. And then for our final result, as a group, we got each individual person's mean, median, mode, range, and outliers. And we got the mean by adding all of our results and dividing it by the 5 people in the group. And then for the mode, we looked for the most popular number out of the 5 people in the group for each question. And then same for the range and same for the outliers. And that is all the math behind our problems. And